The Graduate Record Examinations, in short GRE, is a standardized test that is an admission requirement for most graduate schools in the United States. Almost all graduate schools in the United States require GRE results as a part of their admission process. The GRE is a test intended to measure the abilities of all graduates in tasks of general academic nature, regardless of their field of specialization. The GRE is supposed to measure the extent to which undergraduate education has developed an individual's verbal and quantitative skills in abstract thinking. This test is created by Educational Testing Service (ETS), and the exam aims to measure verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, analytical writing, and critical thinking skills that have been acquired over a long period of time and that are not related to any specific field of study. The GRE General Test is offered as a computer-based exam administered at Prometric testing centers. The structure of the computer-based GRE General Test consists of 6 sections. The first section is always the analytical writing section, involving separately time, issue, and argument tasks. The next 5 sections consist of 2 verbal reasoning sections, 2 quantitative reasoning sections, and either an experimental or research section. These 5 sections may occur in any order. The experimental section does not count towards the final score, but is not distinguished from the score sections. The entire testing procedure lasts about 3 hours 45 minutes. 1-minute breaks are offered after each section and a 10-minute break after the third section. Now let's talk about GRE subject test in short. In addition to general tests, there are also 7 GRE subject tests testing knowledge in specific areas of biochemistry, cell and molecular biology, biology itself, chemistry, literature in English, mathematics, physics, and psychology. And the length of each exam is 170 minutes.